how to rewind time on FX Replay. So what you want to do is first log into your account, and after you have logged in, click on account settings in the bottom left. From here we want to navigate to the backtesting section. Just click on backtesting, and you want to enable replay. Here, if it's not enabled, you want to enable it. You will need to upgrade to Pro in order to do this. So here where it says subscription, once we click on it, you can either choose yearly or monthly and get Pro. If you have Pro and want to rewind time, you will go into sessions here and then just load up any session. I'll click on this chart for S&P 500. Give it some time. Alright, so once it has loaded here, what you want to do is just choose the time which you want to rewind back to. For example, right about here. Then you will right click, and if you have the Pro subscription, you will see an option called rewind time right here, and you can just click on it to rewind it. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.